You'll see these 5 trig angles constantly in geometry, algebra, pre-calculus, physics, and calculus. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. The good news is that the exact trig values are not random facts you have to brute force memorize. They come directly from geometry, and once you understand the patterns, you can rebuild the whole table from scratch. First, quick review. SOH. Sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent equals opposite over adjacent. Exact trig values come from special right triangles where the side lengths are known exactly. Start with the easiest special triangle, the 45-45-90 triangle. Imagine a square with side length 1 cut diagonally in half. Each leg is 1, and the hypotenuse comes from the Pythagorean theorem. 1 squared plus 1 squared equals c squared, so c equals square root of 2. Now use SOH. For 45-degree angle, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so that's 1 over square root of 2, which becomes square root of 2 over 2. Cosine is the same thing because the triangle is perfectly symmetric. Tangent is 1 over 1, so tangent 45 degrees equals 1. Next comes the 30-60-90 triangle. Start with an equilateral triangle of side length 2. Split it down the middle. Now you have 2 right triangles. The hypotenuse stays 2. Half the base becomes 1. Then use the Pythagorean theorem again. 1 squared plus b squared equals 2 squared. So b squared equals 3, and the long leg is square root of 3. That gives the famous side ratio, 1 square root of 3, 2. Now be careful with the angles. The side opposite 30 degrees is the short side, 1. The side opposite 60 degrees is the long side, square root of 3. For 30 degrees, sine is 1 over 2. Cosine is square root of 3 over 2. Tangent is 1 over square root of 3. For 60 degrees, sine and cosine swap. Sine 60 degrees is square root of 3 over 2. Cosine 60 degrees is 1 over 2. Tangent 60 degrees is square root of 3. Now for 0 degrees and 90 degrees, triangles get awkward, so switch to the unit circle. On the unit circle, cosine is the x-coordinate and sine is the y-coordinate. At 0 degrees, the point is 1, 0. So cosine 0 is 1, sine 0 is 0, and tangent 0 is 0. At 90 degrees, the point is 0, 1. So cosine 90 is 0, and sine 90 is 1. Tangent becomes 1 divided by 0, which is undefined. Undefined does not mean 0. Division by 0 simply is not allowed. Now here's the pattern that makes the table easy to remember. The sine values go like this. Square root of 0 over 2, square root of 1 over 2, square root of 2 over 2, square root of 3 over 2, square root of 4 over 2. That gives 0, 1/2, square root of 2 over 2, square root of 3 over 2, and 1. Cosine is the exact same list backwards. Then tangent is just sine divided by cosine. Finally, the hand trick. This is a shortcut, not the reason the values work. Hold up your left hand. From pinky to thumb, label the fingers 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Bend the angle you want. For sine, count fingers below the bent finger. Take the square root and divide by 2. For cosine, count fingers above the bent finger. Take the square root and divide by 2. Example, bend the 30-degree finger. 1 finger below, 3 above. Sine 30 is square root of 1 over 2, which is 1/2. Cosine 30 is square root of 3 over 2. Once you connect the geometry, the patterns, and the shortcut together, the exact trig table stops feeling like memorization and starts feeling predictable.